Hello, good morning students. In previous video, we have started lesson number 12, the muscular system and digestive system in human beings. There you have studied about muscular system. Now, today we are going to study digestive system. So children, first we'll understand what is meant by digestion. Conversion of food into a soluble form and its absorption into the blood is called digestion. What is meant by digestion? Conversion of food into simple soluble form, and then it is absorbed into the blood. This process is called as digestion. The digestive system consists of the alimentary canal and digestive glands. The total length of alimentary canal is about 9 meters. Its main parts are the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. The salivary glands, liver and pancreas are the digestive glands connected to the alimentary canal. Different organs of the digestive system systematically perform the function of digestion. Let's study the structure and function of each organ of the digestive system. Teeth. The process of digestion begins with the function of the teeth in the mouth. There are 4 types of teeth, namely incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Teeth are of 4 types: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Each type of tooth has a specific function. Each tooth is covered by a hard substance called enamel. Enamel is made of a calcium salt. Enamel is the very hard substance. Saliva contains an enzyme called ptyalin or salivary amylase. Ptyalin converts starch into a sugar called maltose. What is meant by enzyme? Enzymes are substances secreted in the body of an organism which bring about specific chemical reactions. They act as catalyst, means they does not take part in chemical reaction but they speed up the reaction. Enzymes are a specific type of proteins. Digestive system. We'll study about the different organs taking part in digestion of food. Mouth. Digestion of food begins in the mouth. Food is chewed with the help of teeth into very small pieces. Salivary glands. Saliva is produced in the salivary glands in the mouth cavity, located in front of the ears, near the pharynx and below the tongue. It is carried to the mouth via ducts. It is mixed with food during the process of chewing. Pharynx or throat. The esophagus and trachea open into the pharynx. Now next, esophagus. It is a tube leading from the pharynx to the stomach. It pushes the food towards the stomach. Next, stomach. The large sac-like part of the alimentary canal is called the stomach. The gastric glands of stomach secrete gastric juice. Food that has entered stomach is churned, means it is mixed up properly. 3 components of gastric juice, namely hydrochloric acid, pepsin and mucus are mixed with food here and it becomes acidic. Mainly proteins are digested in the stomach. Due to the churning and the action of gastric juice, food becomes a semi-solid slurry which is slowly pushed into the small intestine. Pancreas. The pancreas secretes the pancreatic juice that contains various enzymes. Enzymes they speed up the chemical reaction. Liver. The liver is the largest gland in the body. It has a rich supply of blood. Its main function is storage of glucose. The gallbladder is situated below the liver. It stores the bile. The digestive juice secreted by the liver. When bile is carried into the small intestine, it mixes with the food there and helps in the digestion of fats. Bile contains bile salts. In liver, fats are digested. Small intestine. The small intestine is about 6 meters long. Most of the digestion and absorption of food takes place here. 3 different digestive juices are mixed with the food in the small intestine. Absorption into the blood of nutrients obtained by the digestion of food also occurs in the small intestine. Means in the small intestine the nutrients from the food are absorbed and the digestion will get completed. Large intestine. The large intestine is about 1.5 meter long. Only water is absorbed in the large intestine. A small part called the appendix is attached to the first part of large intestine. Undigested material is thrown out of the body through the anus, a small opening. Important glands of the digestive system, their secretions and functions. First organ, mouth. Gland, salivary gland. And secretion is saliva which contain enzyme ptyalin. Function, conversion of starch into maltose. Stomach, gastric wall and secretions are gastric juice. They are of 3 types: hydrochloric acid, pepsin and mucus. The function of gastric juice is to make the food acidic, breakdown of proteins, to protect the inner lining of the stomach from hydrochloric acid. Next gland is liver. Secretion, bile. The function is to make food alkaline, to convert large fat particles into small ones. Next gland is pancreas. Secretion, pancreatic juice which contain enzymes trypsin, lipase and amylase. Trypsin function is to convert proteins into amino acids. Lipase function is to convert fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Amylase function is to convert complex carbohydrates into simple sugars. The next organ is small intestine. Secretion, intestinal juice and functions to convert proteins into amino acids, to convert complex carbohydrates into glucose, to convert fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Are we putting our health at risk? Physical health is extremely important in personality development. When all our organ systems function properly, we say that we are in good health. However, harmful habits like smoking, chewing of tobacco, drinking alcohol affect our health adversely. Effects of tobacco, alcohol, smoking on the digestive system. If we consume any tobacco products, the mouth, pharynx, alimentary canal, and other organs of the digestive system cannot function properly. It causes problems like vomiting, nausea, and headache. Besides, tobacco particles stick to teeth, gums, and skin of the mouth cavity and slowly cause injury to those parts, resulting in their dysfunction. Dysfunction means fault in an organ. This causes swelling of the gums and pain when moving the jaws. The pharynx and intestine become inflamed, means burning sensation, and the condition further progress into cancer leading to death. So children, now you understood the harmful effects of all those substances. So in future you don't get the addiction of tobacco, alcohol and smoking, and also make people aware about the harmful effects of all those things. I hope you understood the topic. So for better understanding, read the topic once again